Hey guys, Katie here at Russ Darrow in our service department, and today we are going to talk about air filters. We're going to talk about our engine air filter, which is the filter that filters out any contaminants before it goes into your engine so that your engine lasts longer and you don't have any foreign contaminants in there. This is a brand new filter. This is a dirty one. I wouldn't recommend changing this one quite yet. But it is recommended every year, once a year, or every 25,000 miles. Next is the cabin filter. This is actually is inside the vehicle, and it filters out any contaminants that might be inside, so stuff that you're breathing in. I recommend changing that once a year as well, or every 25,000 miles. This is an example of a bad filter that should be changed right away. If you're looking to get your filters changed, stop by to see us. We can get those switched out so that you can have a happy and healthy